I finally got my ClearClub whitening kit, and so let's see how well I took my impressions and how well my whitening trays will fit. So in my packet came my whitening tray for top, my whitening tray for bottom, and 2 packs of gels, whitening gels from ClearClub. So I'm gonna open one of these. Let's open the box. And in here we have 3 syringes with a top, with 3 tops. So let's take one tray. This is for my bottom teeth. Let me just see how well I did. Fits really well and comfy. This is for my top teeth. I made really good impressions. Okay, so now we put a little bit of gel. We pull out 1 syringe. And we put a little bit of gel into each of them. A little bit of gel, and put them on. Now basically I wait as long as I want to, minimum 30 minutes, but what's really recommended is to keep them overnight. So I'm gonna sleep in them. Have a nice day, friends. Bye.